In this video, we will discuss standardized data formats for manufacturing with the Unified Namespace. Standardizing data formats is one of the most valuable aspects of your Industry 4.0 strategy because standardizing on data formats provides a common foundation for sharing information between the different systems to enable interoperability. For example, the data that is produced by System A on the shop floor can easily be interpreted by System B in the IT domain. So whether the data transportation is OPC UA or MQTT, the goal is to package the information in a standardized manner across your entire enterprise. The core principle of the Unified Namespace is to enforce standardization of data formats at the edge. So this involves using a gateway to help you, first of all, model the data to a standard that has been defined by your organization. So for example, if your organization wants to standardize on what a compressor looks like, or you want to standardize on what an OEE object should look like. The next important step of standardizing data format at the edge is to provide context to the data objects. So it could be things that are as simple as adding the units of measurement, or it could be actually bringing data from two different systems to create a contextual data object. The other aspect of standardizing on your data formats is also to normalize the data. So maybe you want to use the same units of measurements across your entire enterprise, and you also want to create sort of like a consistent slice of information so that when you train your AI models, your data is already normalized. And lastly, you could also want to transform the data so that it follows a specific standard. So maybe you want to count the number of units per hour. So when the PLC gives you the number of units per minute, you want to transform that data to give you that standard measurement. So once you've performed the standardization of the data formats at the edge, you then publish the resulting objects to the central hub that holds the information model of your organization, which is your unified namespace. So in this way, you've got shop floor machinery that is producing data and sharing it across the entire enterprise in a way that it is expected by enterprise or IT systems. Furthermore, this allows you to streamline your data engineering exercise because the data cleaning happens at the edge and then the data is simply streamed into the cloud where it is ready to be used to train your AI and machine learning models. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.